I'm Elaine Spires, and together with my colleague Julie Barker, I'm delighted to be one of the adjudicators for the Pen to Print Speech and Drama Festival. We're very much looking forward to going into our third season, but there are a couple of little hints and tips that we want to give you before you send your monologue into us. Now, the question we're often asked is, what is a monologue? So a monologue is a speech where the character expresses their innermost thoughts. It also tells us something about the speaker's character. And monologues take all sorts of forms. They can be soliloquies, they can be villain speeches, songs, poems written as speeches, or they can be dramatic asides. Now, when you're preparing your monologue, there are several things that you really need to take into consideration. The first one of these is, what's the monologue's goal? What are you saying? Are you sharing with the audience that you want to do something, that you're feeling frustrated about something? Are you sad? Is it unrequited love? Is it something joyful that's made you really happy? Or is it just something where you're fed up and you've just about had enough with everything? You also have to decide whether or not the audience is your only listener. Are you sharing just with the audience, or are you sharing with another character who's listening silently to your monologue on the stage? So determining the audience is important. Who is your character speaking to? Another thing you need to explore is the character themselves. What is their background? What is their backstory? Where do they live? What do they look like? Is it you? Why are they feeling the way they do? Why are they telling us this story? Are they happy with where they live? Do they like the people they live with? Do they go to school? Do they go to work? What are they doing? So we need to have it very clear, the backstory. It's the same with any time you take a role in acting. You always make up a backstory for your character. So it's very important that you do this before you think about writing your monologue. After that, always have a powerful start. Hook the listener. Make them want to go, oh, what is it they're going to say? What are they going to tell me? What are they going to share with me? And use your storytelling techniques. Always building up, pausing, so that you can actually build a little bit of tension before we come to the crutch. And always end on a very strong note. Your monologue should reach a climax, and you should leave that. It could be any kind of ending you like. It can be a cliffhanger, it can be a joke, it can be something that makes the listener, that makes the audience think. But all of these things should be taken into consideration in your monologue, and that way it'll actually bring it to life. So enjoy your writing, and we very much look forward to reading what you're going to produce for us this year. Thank you.